you have extremely damaged hair. You have a lot of breakage, but you're not quite ready to cut it all off. And that's fine, because maybe it's just in the middle of your hair and you're like, I don't want a big chop. I want to keep some of that length. So you're going to transition instead. That's fine. I am going to help walk you through what you should be doing on your wash day so that the strands that you have aren't going to continue to break off. And so you can maintain that length as you are slowly transitioning your hair back to health. Step one, stop doing whatever it is that you were doing that was causing the breakage in the first place. So it could be maybe you're doing a lot of heat, right? You're straightening your hair and you're using your flat iron on the highest heat setting and causing heat damage to your hair. Stop that. Maybe you are constantly putting your hair into buns, and buns are literally destroying your hair. Stop that. And perhaps you are someone who puts your hair into back to back to back to back to back protective, or as I like to call them, long-term low manipulation hairstyles. Stop that. And if you're like, I still have breakage, I don't know why, then you're going to have to leave a comment and talk about your hair care routine, and we'll have to figure out what's causing the breakage in your hair. If you're not on medication or something relevant like that. Okay, so if it's something in your hair care routine and maybe you've pinpointed what it is, then you know you need to stop that. And make sure that you are washing your hair every single week. Because you might be thinking, well, my hair is damaged, and there's this myth that washing your hair in the Black community is bad for your hair. And so a lot of people will avoid washing their hair weekly. I've had people tell me directly, well, I can't wash my hair every week because my hair is type 4C. And I'm like, you should be washing your hair every single week because your hair is dry. Dry hair is going to break off a lot easier. And if you are avoiding washing your hair, then you are avoiding getting your hair hydrated. Hydration is the act of getting moisture into your hair, and you can only do that when you shampoo your hair, shampooing your hair. So you want to make sure that you're constantly washing hair. And by constantly, I mean weekly washing your hair so that your hair doesn't dry out. Shampoo it, condition it. Always, always, always use a leave-in. Now, I love, of course, the moisturizing hair pudding. There it is. This is the one. This is the GOAT. You want to use a leave-in that's going to protect your hair, keeping it hydrated, locking that moisture into your hair. So if your hair is, whether you have heat damage, you have a lot of breakage, here's the thing that you're going to do is that your hairstyle needs to be more gentle on your hair and not have a lot of manipulation. So you're not going to do wash and goes. Sorry, no, you can't do wash and goes yet. The style that you're going to want to do are going to be braid outs, twist outs, and probably the one that I think is the best if you want to be able to wear your hair out and have it all look uniform, especially if you have heat damage on your ends, and that's going to be the twist and curl. Twist and curl is where you twist your hair, and then at the ends you add a perm rod to give it a little bit more texture to your hair. So those are the styles that you're going to want to do. And now, as you are maintaining, oh, and also, before I forget, you guys know me, don't air dry it. That's only going to make it worse. Never ever air dry. As you're doing your twists, your braids, your twist and curl, you want to sit under a hooded hair dryer. So you want to apply the products to your hair while it's damp or lightly moistened. Yes. don't put it on soaking wet hair, because if you're doing twists, braids, twists and curls on soaking wet hair, it's going to take forever to dry. Forever to dry. So I like, when I'm doing my twist outs, I like my hair to be almost towel dry, and then I will apply the products and twist my hair. If you want a lot of definition, of course, you can use the Get Set Hair Jelly. Where is it? Right there. Right over it. I like, how do I... So you want to use the pudding and then the jelly over it if you want to get like a lot of definition that's going to last even longer. So this is what you're going to do every week. And then once a month, every 4 to 6 weeks, you're going to trim your ends. So for every 1/2 inch of hair you grow per month, you're going to cut that on the ends until all of your hair is uniform and healthy. And then now you can start doing all the different hairstyles you want. But whatever it is that you were doing that was causing that breakage, and you can keep doing it, but keep it at a minimum best. So those are my tips, and I hope this helps you. If you found this to be helpful, be sure to like and share, as well as follow me for more hair care tips. Thank y'all.